gonna show you an easy way to make a hot holiday cocktail at home while you're entertaining friends and family.
I love all these spices we have here. These are some of my favorite flavors. I see like cinnamon and clove.
This is the taste of the season, and that and a little bit of whiskey. So we're gonna make the base of the cider, and you can make this a few days before if you want.
Is there any reason you pick these spices in particular?
Yeah, these winter spices, one, they're delicious, but they work really well with whiskey. Whiskey is aged in oak, and oak imparts these flavors that are reminiscent of things like vanilla, cinnamon, orange peel, and then whiskey and apple is just like a phenomenal combination. So this all together, served warm, is gonna be perfect for the holidays.
Amazing.
All right, Eric, so here's the cider.
Great.
So you get that full picture.
Delicious. Right in here. Okay, so as this heats up, maybe we can throw in some of the spices?
Absolutely, yeah. Just drop the cinnamon, cloves, cardamom. I'll drop these orange peels in.
Great.
And then some peppercorns.
Black peppercorns.
Yeah, black peppercorns.
Does that add like a savory smokiness? Or?
Just a little bit of spice. And then I just take these vanilla beans and I just kind of cut a little slice in them. That way the heating cider will be able to pull the flavor out of those pods. And then some ginger slices. And then a little orange.
Looks like this is simmering. It smells so wonderful. God.
All right, great. So now it's gonna simmer. We're just gonna cover it and then we're just gonna let it sit there for 20 minutes on a low simmer. And then we're gonna remove it from the heat and just let it sit and let those flavors just kind of incorporate a little bit more.
We're gonna make the pumpkin consommé next.
Correct, yeah.
Is there a reason why you sous vide this?
Yeah, I use the sous vide because it temperature control. So we're not gonna caramelize the sugars, we're not gonna overcook it. It just keeps it like kind of steady for a while.
So you'd say this is extra pumpkin.
Extra pumpkin.
Right.
Pumpkin concentrate.
It's the pumpkiniest. Great. The first step is to fill the bag, right?
Fill your bag with the pumpkin. Peel the pumpkin, get the skin off, and then cut it into these little cubes, so to speak.
And how much sugar were we using?
Just dump that in. You're looking at what you want, about 20% sugar to pumpkin ratio.
Okay, that seems right to me.
Okay, and you want to get a lot of the air out of the bag. You want the pumpkin to kind of sit into the water and submerge a little bit. We're just gonna clip this onto the side, and then you set it to, we're gonna set this at 200 degrees.
Right.
Let it sit for an hour. That's it.
Can we kind of take a look and just tell us what's happening?
Yeah, you can see all this liquid. So that's the sugar that's been liquefied. You see these are like squishy, nice and soft. So that's all that flavor. And then what you do is just take the bag and we're just gonna empty the contents in here.
Great.
I just kind of press this into the walls a little bit just to get almost like you're wringing out the squash a little bit.
Now we're here ready to assemble the cocktail. We've got the gorgeous cider that we've spiced and simmered, and now it's cooled and strained. And this pumpkin consommé, so pretty. I love that color. It smells amazing.
Yeah, it's like liquid pumpkin.
Yeah.
All right, so now we're gonna build a drink. I like to use these little electric warmers.
Yeah.
They work really quickly and they have a cover, so it kind of helps keep the flavor inside.
And you could also probably do it in like a slow cooker maybe?
Yeah, that could work too.
Ladle it.
So we'll just start with the sherry. All right.
You look like a scientist.
Yeah, with this beaker, totally I do. All right, and we'll just pour the rest. Why not?
All that hard work.
A little extra pumpkin.
Might as well.
Apple.
And we're adding the whiskey, right?
Yeah. This is spent some time in rum casks. It's what's called the Caribbean cask.
Yeah.
So we're actually going to add a little bit of rum, which is made in the Caribbean. Well, this rum is, to kind of bring out that aging component of the whiskey. There we go, and then put your cap on, and then turn it on.
Just let it go.
Yeah.
So while this is keeping warm, can you tell us a little bit about the glasses you've chosen and these adorable garnishes?
Yeah, so I like these little, they're like a 6-ounce volume toddy glass. This is kind of like the best way to balance your drink. And then what we do to take these lemons and we just slice them, and then we just stud them with cloves, and it adds a little bit of an aromatic. So this will, you'll smell a little bit of lemon, a little bit of the clove while you're taking a sip of the.
I love that.
You know, garnishes are meant to be kind of serve a purpose. This is going to add like a little bit of a lemon flavor to it, but it's also like aesthetically pleasing to punch it with the cloves.
Yeah.
It looks a little better than just sitting like a lemon in there.
So after all that work, we finally have these amazing cocktails. Let's taste it. Cheers.
Yeah, the Balvenie here is just such a perfect combination with the spice cider because it has enough body to like stick up to all those spices and big flavors. It's just like a perfect winter warmer.
Yeah, I also love the cloves. Thank you so much again for coming. I had so much fun today. I hope you did too.
I had a blast. I'm ready for number 2.
Me too.